Are you searching for the most reliable cars ever made? Wondering why your grandfather's old Mercedes still runs while modern vehicles struggle after 100,000 miles? In this countdown, we reveal the top 10 most indestructible classic cars that were truly built to last forever. From the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser to the bulletproof Volvo 240. These vehicles defy planned obsolescence and keep running for decades. Which old cars have the best reputation for reliability? What makes these vintage models outlast today's high-tech rides? Discover the secrets behind the world's most durable, long-lasting, and iconic cars right here. 1. Mercedes-Benz W123, 1976 to 1985. The W123 isn't just a car. It's a legend on wheels. Built with the kind of German over-engineering that borders on obsession, this Mercedes was designed to outlast empires. Taxi drivers in Africa and the Middle East still trust these tanks to rack up 500,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and faith. The doors close with a vault-like thunk, the diesel engines run forever, and the body shrugs off rust and time. Owning a W123 is like inheriting a family heirloom, one that will probably outlive you, your kids, and maybe even civilization itself. 2. Honda Accord, 3rd generation, 1986 to 1989. The 3rd-gen Accord is the car that made Honda a household name for reliability. Crafted with almost spiritual attention to detail, these Accords were so well built that mechanics in developing countries call them forever cars. The engines are simple, the transmissions are smooth, and the interiors are built to survive decades of abuse. Owners routinely see 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. It's not flashy, but it's the car that never lets you down. Always ready, always faithful. A quiet hero that just keeps going, no matter what life throws at it. 3. Jeep Cherokee XJ, 1984 to 2001. The XJ Cherokee is the cockroach of the SUV world. Impossible to kill no matter how hard you try. Its unibody construction was revolutionary, making it both tough and light. The legendary 4.0L inline-six engine is so durable it's almost mythical. These Jeeps have survived floods, fires, and even gunshots, yet they keep crawling out of the rubble, ready for more. The XJ isn't just a vehicle. It's a badge of honor for off-roaders and mail carriers alike. If the world ends tomorrow, expect to see an XJ still running, probably with a new dent or two. 4. Ford Crown Victoria, 1992 to 2011. The Crown Vic is the unsung hero of American roads. Built like a tank, it was the backbone of police fleets and taxi companies for decades. Its body-on-frame construction and indestructible V8 engine made it the go-to car for anyone who needed a vehicle that could take a beating and keep going. Retired cop cars would rack up another 300,000 miles as taxis, then get sold to civilians for even more abuse. The Crown Vic is more than a car. It's a survivor, a workhorse, and a symbol of American grit that refuses to die. 5. Volvo 240, 1974 to 1993. The Volvo 240 is the automotive equivalent of a Swedish fortress, boxy, unbreakable, and built with a stubborn refusal to quit. Its engines are so overbuilt that stories of 500,000-mile 240s are common, and 1,000,000 miles isn't unheard of. Safety was its calling card, but reliability was its legacy. The 240 doesn't care about trends or speed. It's about getting you home, every time, no matter what. It's the car your parents trusted, your grandparents loved, and your mechanic secretly admires. In a world of planned obsolescence, the 240 is a quiet, rolling rebellion. 6. Toyota Pickup/Hilux, 1979 to 1995. The Toyota Hilux is the stuff of legend. Top Gear tried to destroy one, drowning it, burning it, dropping it from a building, and it still started. In war zones and remote villages, the Hilux is the vehicle of choice because it simply refuses to die. Its 22R engine is a masterpiece of simplicity and strength, and the whole truck is built to survive the apocalypse. If you need to cross a desert, climb a mountain, or just get to work every day for 30 years, the Hilux is the friend who never lets you down. 7. Chevrolet Suburban, 1973 to 1991. The classic Suburban is less a car and more a rolling fortress. Built on a truck frame, it was designed to haul families, gear, and dreams across America's toughest terrain. Its V8 engines are lazy, torquey beasts that never seem to break a sweat. The Suburban's size is legendary. You don't park it, you dock it. Yet, despite its bulk, it's a gentle giant, carrying generations of families on road trips, camping adventures, and cross-country moves. It's the car that never says no, never gives up, and never, ever quits. 8. Cummins-powered Dodge Ram, 1989 to 1993. When Dodge dropped a Cummins diesel into their Ram, they created a legend. The 5.9L inline-six was designed for commercial trucks, so in a pickup, it's basically immortal. Owners brag about 500,000 miles on original internals, and the engine is so valuable that people swap it into newer trucks when the body finally rusts away. The rest of the truck might fall apart, but that Cummins just keeps chugging along, pulling, hauling, and working like it was born to. It's the heart of a semi in the body of a pickup, a true blue-collar hero. 9. Mercedes-Benz W126 S-Class, 1979 to 1991. The W126 is the S-Class that defined luxury and durability. Built with a cost is no object mentality. It's a rolling testament to German engineering at its peak. The doors close with a satisfying thunk, the engines run forever, and the interiors are built to outlast trends and time. These cars were so overbuilt that Mercedes lost money on every one sold. Today, you'll find W126s still running as taxis in Africa and the Middle East, their odometer spinning past 500,000 miles. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Perfection is possible. 10. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60/FJ62, 1980 to 1990. The FJ60 and FJ62 Land Cruisers are the ultimate symbols of indestructibility. Built to conquer deserts, mountains, and jungles, these trucks are the vehicles of choice for the UN, explorers, and anyone who needs to get somewhere, no matter what. Their straight-six engines are agricultural in their simplicity, yet legendary in their endurance. Everything is overbuilt, from the axles to the door hinges. In the harshest places on Earth, you'll find an old Land Cruiser still working, still starting, still going. It's not just a car. It's a lifeline, a legend, and a promise that you'll always get home. Which of these legendary cars would you trust for a cross-country road trip, or even the apocalypse? Share your stories of unstoppable vehicles in the comments below. If you enjoyed this list of the most reliable, long-lasting cars ever built, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive history, car reviews, and classic car content. Are old cars really more reliable than new ones? What's the highest mileage you've ever seen on a car? Join the conversation and let us know. For more tips on buying used cars and maintaining your ride, stay tuned to our channel.